OpenAI has now claimed a rare kind of breakthrough. Instead of being a benchmark score, it is actual mathematics this time. But before that, Cypher 2026, India's largest AI summit is back, here in Bangalore at KTPO. So do stay tuned for the updates. OpenAI says an internal version of its next major model family, Astra, generated new results on 10 long-standing open problems in mathematics and theoretical computer science. Every one of these problems had gone unsolved for at least a decade, really. OpenAI published machine-checkable proofs alongside this announcement so mathematics can verify the work independently. The advances span several fields: high-dimensional geometry, coding theory, arithmetic, circuit complexity, group theory, lattice cryptography, extremal combinatorics, and quantum complexity. Specific results include new bounds for high-dimensional sphere packing and binary codes, a construction proving the existence of non-Sophic groups, a disproof of Kohm's rigidity conjecture that new lower bounds in arithmetic circuit complexity, and progress on quantum complexity, lattice cryptography, and graph theory. Astra itself is not yet public. OpenAI generated these results using an internal version of the model. The AI-generated arguments were then turned into research manuscripts by humans using the same model. The proofs were formalized as lean certificates, a system mathematicians use to machine-check format proofs. OpenAI also released the model's own narration of its reasoning process for each result. The company noted that the total token cost to arrive at these solutions would run roughly $2,000 at its sole API rates. OpenAI said attribution should reflect how a result was actually produced, and it hopes the mathematical community will evaluate, build on, and help really define how AI should be used in future research. Alongside the research announcement, OpenAI said that it has launched ChatGPT for academic researchers. It is giving 100,000 scientists and mathematicians free access to its most capable ChatGPT models. In May, OpenAI said that one of its internal reasoning models had autonomously disproved a long-standing conjecture in discrete geometry that had gone unsolved for nearly 80 years. It is a result external mathematicians were calling a milestone at the time. Shortly after OpenAI's announcement, Anthropic researcher Levent Aploche posted on X that the company's Claude Fable model had independently solved 5 of the same 10 problems in under 24 hours. However, Anthropic has not published a paper verifying that claim. Ladies and gentlemen, here of course is the front page take on the story. What makes this announcement visibly stark are the receipts. Machine-checkable proofs and lean certificates mean that the mathematical community does not have to take OpenAI's word for it. They can verify the work directly. So here's a question. If AI systems start resolving decades-old open problems as a matter of routine, does mathematics need a new standard for authorship, or does a machine-checkable proof settle that question right on its own? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AI Network. Do like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AI.